It is possible to customize the standard Excel template for use with Measurement Partner Suite. This is practical when multiple measurements are being taken with identical reporting requirements. Using a template, Measurement Partner can enter data automatically into tables and graphs. In this project, a number of measurements were performed at different positions with the same 2270 instrument template. The noise sources were different in each case, and measurement duration was at the discretion of the engineer. In this case, the total octave spectrum for each measurement position is of interest. To export the data to Excel, select the first measurement position, then click on the Export icon. Now select Export to an Excel file, click Next. Choose what parts of your measurement data you want to export to Excel. In this example, only the setup and the total spectra are of interest. Click Next. Under Export Settings, it is important to note that a master file is not being used at this stage. This box should be unchecked. Make sure the Launch Excel After Export option is checked. Excel will open as soon as the export is complete. Because only setup and total spectra were exported, only these two worksheets are now available. Customization of the Excel file can now begin. To demonstrate, we will create a table of values and a bar chart to display these values graphically. Select the Total Spectra worksheet. Highlight the first row of data. This row of data contains the total spectra for the maximum duration of the measurement. Note the number of rows and columns, 2 and 15 respectively. To conveniently display the data in a graph, you must use the Excel transpose function. Create a new worksheet, mark off an area of 15 rows and 2 columns. Now use the transpose function, marking the data in question. In this case, the LAF max results. To do this, type in the formula and go to the Total Spectra sheet and select the LAF max data. The table now refers to the data in the Total Spectra worksheet. You may need to correct the format in some instances. That will be done here for the date and time. To add a chart, mark the data and insert the chart in the normal manner. There may be instances where you might want to edit the appearance of the chart. Right-click and select Format Data Series to change the properties of the data series. Save the file somewhere you can easily find it. We will save the file to the desktop. You do not need to save the file as a template. Instead, just save the file as a standard Excel workbook. Note that it is being saved as Logging Master. To export the remaining measurement positions, return to Measurement Partner and select the necessary files. Repeat the steps for Export to Excel as before. However, as multiple projects have been selected this time, it is usually a good idea to export to separate files. Now you can export to the master file that was just created and not to the standard template. Find the Logging Master file and open. You can view the export in the taskbar. The Excel file now shows the data automatically entered for each of the separate Excel files.